How to add TFuel or Theta Fuel on a Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add TFuel on a Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on a mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for TFuel. TFuel or Theta Fuel. You are looking for it, right? Now toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now again tap on TFuel. You will be provided with multiple options over here. Click on Receipt. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive TFuel from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add TFuel to Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.